All right, Mr. Wayne, I'm all set out here. Whenever you're ready, sir.
Hit it. Yeah. Come on. Straight out of G-City. Y'all know me. I'm Batman, the motherfucking Dark Knight. I'm a playboy by day, vigilante by night. I'm Batman, the defender of Gotham. I dress up like a bat, cause it's motherfucking awesome. Batman's in the house, come and party in the Bat Cave. Yo, Alfred.
Yes, Master Wayne.
Bring some more Cavassier, the honey's in the manor. Taking notice of my swagger, villains hiding in the shadows, running scared from their attackers. See, they recognize my signal when it lights up the sky. Hardened gangsters get all shy, look at terror in their eyes. They can't hide from me, I'm on the prowl, motherfucker. Sword death on the street, cape and cow, motherfucker. Na 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 na, yo, remember that song? There's a reason I've been famous for so goddamn long. Words flying off my fists like power kablam. By now you better know who the fuck I am. I'm Batman, the motherfucking Dark Knight. I'm a playboy by day, vigilante by night. I'm Batman, the defender of Gotham. I dress up like a bat, cause it's motherfucking awesome. My seed and poison ivy, man, that bitch made me itch. I never should've put my fucking dick in that snitch. And Catwoman, yeah, I made that pussy purr. That skank could barely crawl when I got done with her. Yo, Superman high like a bird in a plane. Take a look through the wall, watch me fuck Lois Lane. She's screaming out my name like,
oh, Bruce Wayne.
Spider-Man, keep your eye on Mary Jane. I'm Batman, the motherfucking Dark Knight. I'm a playboy by day, vigilante by night. I'm Batman, the defender of Gotham. I dress up like a bat, cause it's motherfucking awesome.
Get out of here, Bats. It's my turn in the spotlight. Don't you know I'm the real star of the Dark Knight? Back off, motherfucker. I'm clinically insane. Like magic tricks? We'll shove a pencil through your brain.
Hey, baddie boy, you think you played me for a fool? Well, next time you should keep a better hold of your jewels.
What's up, bro? I haven't seen you since Batman and Robin. Better watch yourself in this one or your back will be popping. What? Is there something on my face?
I'm Batman, the motherfucking Dark Knight. I'm a playboy by day, vigilante by night. I'm Batman, the defender of Gotham. I dress up like a bat, cause it's motherfucking awesome. I'm Batman, the motherfucking Dark Knight. I'm a playboy by day, vigilante by night. I'm Batman, the defender of Gotham. I dress up like a bat, cause it's motherfucking awesome.
Wait, you're Batman?
No, you're Batman.